So ComfyUI just got a new built-in attention mode, the Comfy Kitchen.
Okay, let's see what we're cooking today. Needs more golden hour. There we go. Comfy Kitchen, best recipe I know.
And it's not a custom node. It's Comfy.org's own GPU kernel library, the place where they cook their optimized CUDA and AMD kernels. Kitchen Attention is the one kernel from that library that ComfyUI now uses to run the attention inside your models, and it's int8 quantized, which is exactly why it's fast. In early benchmarks, it lands within 2% of SageAttention and about 60% faster than the default PyTorch attention. But the real win isn't raw speed. SageAttention is a nightmare to install. Compilers, CUDA toolkits, wheel roulette. This ships as a normal ComfyUI dependency. You update, it's there. Windows and AMD included. To use it, either drop a ModelAttentionBackend node on one model and switch it to Comfy Kitchen the safe way, or add CacheAttention to make it the default everywhere. One caveat, it's quantized, so your output can look a tiny bit different. Test it on your own models before you trust it. Okay, today we are going to check out the attention mode in ComfyUI, running the latest popular video models, MiniMax H3. The new built-in attention helps with generation quality and runs at almost the same speed as SageAttention. So, SageAttention, we have played around with that a lot before, using the SageAttention custom node. And now, the ComfyUI Kitchen Attention is built in natively. You update your ComfyUI, run the native node, and it's all out of the box ready to go. And the generation speed, as you can see, the one I'm highlighting is SageAttention. The one up is the ComfyUI Kitchen. Both of them have the same input parameter settings, generating a 10-second video, a little bit slower than SageAttention from the ComfyUI Kitchen, but both of them are about 2 minutes, 54 seconds for the ComfyUI Kitchen, and 2 minutes 48 seconds for SageAttention. But just that few seconds doesn't really matter. The whole point is that I don't need to use the turbo model here, and without the turbo model, I bring it back to 20 sampling steps, using just text to video to test the generation. So 2 pipelines here, making this comparable for the 2 attention modes. The one on top is the kitchen, and the one below is SageAttention. I put that side by side here. This is the first example test I used to do a side-by-side comparison and sync up the frames together, as you can see here. The one a little bit upper is the kitchen. Both motions are the same. Of course, we have the same text prompt. But you see the graphics quality, especially the spinning part here that's landing on the ground. I see it right in front of my computer monitor right here, and the kitchen attention surprisingly has more detail showing in that action part. Whereas SageAttention is still keeping the performance, still able to do what it's doing as usual, and 20 steps bringing the performance within like 2 minutes, something for the generation time is really good. If you are looking for quality, you can even go higher, like 30 steps with these 2 attention modes. And without needing the turbo LoRA, you have way better motions in general. So let's say in here I'm going to put up to 30. And both using the same resolution, same duration of seconds, same FPS. And I'm going to try other text prompts. So I have these test prompts here that I previously prepared in AI agents. And by the way, before these videos, I did some summarizing of how the ComfyUI Kitchen Attention is. And well, this is just a rephrase of that to remind my agents what this is. And it goes to my memory, searches my context, and there we go. The files here talk about the ComfyUI Kitchen Attention, and basically, the simple way of saying this is that it's built by the ComfyUI team, of course, and it makes another GPU kernel library that runs for ComfyUI. And this one is updated recently in the ComfyUI public release and is already included out of the box, as I mentioned, in ComfyUI. The generation speed is really similar to SageAttention, and way faster than PyTorch SDPA, of course. The way of using this, so you can use it as a global argument when you start ComfyUI, but for more flexibility, the safer way is to connect it with an attention mode ComfyUI native node. This way you can use it when needed, and it's just more flexible for the whole workflow. So as I mentioned, I have this prepared, and now I have this workflow here, playing around with text to video and testing some text prompts right now. Let's say, again, 30 steps, no turbo LoRA, running only these 2 attention nodes here. And then eventually we will have 2 generated results. So let's wait for that and see how that runs. So here are another two videos. First of all, this one is showing 4 minutes 24 seconds using 30 steps. This is the SageAttention video. And the other one, going down to here, we got 4 minutes 31 seconds 30 steps. That's the ComfyUI Kitchen Attention, which is pretty similar in terms of the generation speeds and runtime. Again, different GPU, different performance speed, so don't expect that if you have an older GPU, you will have the same generation speed or time to complete one video. It might be different for different people's hardware setups. That is basically the logic of that. And for the video quality here, the one I'm highlighting is the SageAttention. And the other one here is the ComfyUI Kitchen. These two, I just use the same settings, etc. But this one I set a little bit wrong for the FPS. I should turn it back to 24 for this one so it renders properly. And yes, we got the same FPS output, and I synchronized both at the starting frames. So because this is the ComfyUI Kitchen, I created these text prompts for cooking, right? Something that might be a little bit different than usual for making those videos. But you can still see those magical cooking things on the pot, and those fire effects, and the motion. Those motions are pretty close in both attention modes. And let's give it a shot of full screen to see how both look.
Okay, let's see what we're cooking today. Needs more golden hour. There we go. Comfy Kitchen, best recipe I know. Okay, let's see what we're cooking today. Needs more golden hour. There we go. Comfy Kitchen, best recipe I know.
So both animations follow the text prompts, everything pretty much close. And one thing I like from the Comfy Kitchen in this video demo is how in the middle part, like in here, those multiple video scenes, like the cooking and the ingredients, are showing there. It's more clear in the actual scenes that I'm seeing from here. So definitely, this is born for ComfyUI. That's why it is good at running with the ComfyUI engine. It's just no doubt, right out of the box. This is what it is for ComfyUI to work on, the attention mode. So I'm going to try a few more examples with some action scenes here, and I generated those using AI agents, refined my ideas of text prompts, and see how each of those work. And I will put them at the end of this video. You guys can check it out, and I will also share this test ComfyUI workflow here so you guys can see each of the attention modes, and then you can either enable or disable the Turbo LoRA model. But I personally don't use that if I'm really using the attention mode to push up the speed, since it's just like 1 or 2 minutes to generate something right now. So who cares? I'd rather have 20 or 30 steps to get more detailed, higher quality video graphics. So yeah, let's check out some other text prompts and see how that looks.
Don't get in the car, Sweeto.
Mara, I knew you'd find me. I just didn't think you'd bring a conversation.
Hands where I can see them. Don't get in the car, Sweeto.
Mara, I knew you'd find me. I just didn't think you'd bring a conversation.
Hands where I can see them.
Wait, you're too small for this ring, little snake.
Too slow.
Wait, you're too small for this ring, little snake.
Too slow.
So I told her, I said, look, I am not coming back to that office. And the look on her face, honestly, I almost felt bad. Almost. So I told her, I said, look, I am not coming back to that office. And the look on her face, honestly, I almost felt bad. Almost.
I am not saying it was a mistake. I am saying we should have talked about it first.
We did talk about it. You just did not like what I said.
That is not fair, and you know it. I am not saying it was a mistake. I am saying we should have talked about it first.
We did talk about it. You just did not like what I said.
That is not fair, and you know it.
Look, I like you. I do. But liking someone and trusting them with my money, those are two different conversations.
Then let me make it a different conversation. 30 days. If it does not work, you walk away clean. No risk.
Look, I like you. I do. But liking someone and trusting them with my money, those are two different conversations.
Then let me make it a different conversation. 30 days. If it does not work, you walk away clean. No risk.